What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SafeMoon token. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Webull valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. And let's start with the definition of SafeMoon protocol. The SafeMoon protocol is a community-driven, fair-launched DeFi token. 3 simple functions occur during each trade: reflection, LP acquisition, and burn. And let's continue with the entire crypto market. And the total market cap for now is $1.67 trillion, a 9.67% increase over the last day. And here is the reason, in my opinion. And we are on bitcoin.com, and this article was published just 10 hours ago, and it's titled "India's Central Bank RBI confirms crypto banking ban no longer valid, asks banks to stop quoting it." And let me quote you this. Indian Central Bank, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has officially advised the banks that its banking ban circular is no longer valid, as it was set aside by the country's Supreme Court more than 1 year ago. Despite the Supreme Court's ruling, banks have been citing the RBI circular when dealing with cryptocurrency. And this news is massive because we have about 1.5 potential customers for the cryptocurrencies in years future. And all this information leads us to green color in crypto market and on SafeMoon as well. We are up for about 1.84%. It's not a big increase nevertheless. For now, the total market cap of SafeMoon is $2.5 billion and its total tradable volume is $17.4 million, and it's up for about 55%. So let's continue with their official Twitter, and they have 858.7 thousand followers. They added, since I made my previous video, more than 5,000 followers to their community, to their Twitter community. And let me show you their latest tweets one by one. 14 hours ago they tweeted this, tokenomics, and here is the brief explanation what does it mean. And you can watch it by yourself. For nothing new for those of you who already know what does it mean. Next one, 13 hours ago, freedom of the unbanked, and here's the picture of John. He is the CEO of SafeMoon, as you might know. Next one, 9 hours ago, another exchange has enabled SafeMoon tokenomics, and it is BitBNS. Very good that next exchange, I guess it is the 7th one, that already have this functionality in its pockets, and it's very good that you can use tokenomics with BitBNS. Next one, 6 hours ago, evolution. Basically, I think something is behind this word. I don't know exactly what, but let me show you. On John Carany's Twitter, you can see that he wrote several times, SafeMoon is the evolution. So, and by the way, let's continue with John's official Twitter. 8 hours ago, he posted this about exchange, about BitBNS, that it accepted tokenomics, and it is very good. Next one, marketing made me do it. I am sort of kidding. I stand behind what I say. And again, this tweet that I covered just a couple of seconds ago. And I think these 2 tweets are quite important. So, 14 hours ago, he tweeted this: "Hello SafeMoon Army. SafeMoon is not just a token. We are product and services company. Wallet, beta signups 15th June. Exchange, updates coming soon. Hardware wallet, end of summer. We are looking forward to the 15th of June. And it will be, in my opinion, as I already mentioned, it will be a quite massive deadline, and we will see what progress they achieved so far, and it is, in my opinion, very important for this token. Next one, we are also making global strides. We are traveling to the Gambia for very important meetings. I already have folks on the ground, and I will be following them there shortly." So I think these 2 tweets is related to recent FUD that was published on several medias, Let me show you right here. If you type SafeMoon on Google, and if you switch to the folder news, you will find several latest news. SafeMoon new Dogecoin or Ponzi scheme 11 hours ago. Next one, on Nasdaq, should you or anyone buy SafeMoon? Motley Fool 2 days ago again, should you or anyone buy SafeMoon? I think the title is quite similar of these two articles. I think it is quite suspicious, and this picture as well quite similar. So, what are my thoughts about all this information? I want to say that SafeMoon is extremely risky asset, and it is extremely risky potential investment. But nobody knows for now. Is it a scam? Is it a Ponzi scheme? Is it a new Bitcoin or a new Dogecoin? Nobody knows. All I want to know and all I want to see, it is just the charts. It is just the graphs of this asset. It is just the price action. And in my opinion, it is the most important part, because using technical analysis, you can make some juicy profits. You will see how to enter your position, how to exit your position, and it is very useful, and it is very important not only for the SafeMoon, but for any type of assets you can find on the market. So, and let me show you one more thing right here. We are on the Times Co UK, and it is Money Mentor. This article was published on May 31st, just several hours ago. SafeMoon, what is it and how to buy it? And this article wrote without any negative sentiment, and basically you can read that it is extremely risky, and you can read all the concerns about this token. But if you decide to invest, nothing can stop you. And it is the main point that you have to rely only on yourself, and you and only you is responsible for your money and for your investment. That's why I'm covering this type of risky assets, because it is very interesting from the technical standpoint, and it is very potential profitable for you as an investor. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. Well, I made my previous video yesterday, and I've told you that we are forming higher highs and higher lows, and this is the uptrend on this tiny scale, but it is still an uptrend, and all the major uptrends, they are started with tiny uptrends. So what do we have here? Let me clarify a little bit. From this point, from this top, if you can consider it as a very top, or from this top, if you can consider it like this, this is the top and this is the price action. We are technically still in a downtrend on a greater scale. But in my opinion, we will break this pattern very soon. And so far we have this point as our lowest point, and this is the next high from this low. This means if we form higher high right here, if we increase this level of 0.55, I don't want to count all the zeros right here, just let's call it 0.55. And in this case, we will confirm an uptrend on a slightly bigger scale. And when we will exceed next level right here or right here, it is basically quite similar. This will indicate that we are forming a new major uptrend on a greater scale. And as long as we have this as our lowest point, we can rely on our major targets, and to project these targets I pull Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom to the top of this wave and to the bottom of the retracement right here. And here are two main targets at 1.618 extension level and at 2.618 extension level. And from our current price we have about 562% to our aggressive target, and about, let me show it to you, about 330% to our first target. And what should you do if you want to invest? First of all, do your own due diligence. Next one, follow my 3 simple rules. Do not put the money that you are not willing to lose. Do not go all in, and do not put stop loss close to your entry price. These rules are very important. And what should we expect from the price action? Basically, we have to hold this line. We have to hold 0.65, 0.618 from this bottom to this top. And for now, it is our next potential support. And we have to break all the resistances that are above our current price. So if you want to invest, you can ladder your buys down if we will go down. And basically, this price action shows us that we are on a consolidation phase. And as far as we don't have major pivot points, we cannot make some new predictions, we cannot make some forecasts, which is relevant to the current price action. But we still have our major targets, and as long as this pivot holds, our targets are in play, and we are very bullish on this asset, on this very risky asset. You have to remember it. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!